It's quite a similar picture with the price floor. So our original surplus, the consumer surplus, is this triangle here. And the producer surplus is this triangle. And you know that the demand and supply curves might not be straight lines, but when we're going to actually calculate, if we wanted to find the area of that shape, it is more convenient. You tend to see the straight lines for those situations. But now we have a price floor, so the price is not allowed to drop there. This is the minimum price. And we will see that sometimes for commodities like milk has a minimum price. And so now, again, we're not going to be out here at our equilibrium quantity. We're going to be here. Because that's all the buyers want to buy at that artificially high price. And so we have a new producer surplus, which is this shape. For every unit up to this Q, there's this gap between what the sellers are getting and what they would have accepted. And that is smaller as we go along, but there's always that gap there. So this is the new producer surplus. The new consumer surplus is this top little triangle, so that's been kind of cut off. Since they're paying a higher price than they were. And then we have, again, the deadweight loss over here. Surplus that just doesn't happen. Nobody gets the benefit of it. I mean, here we've redistributed, right? We've moved some of the surplus from consumers to producers. Economists aren't too worried about that because at least somebody gets it. But here, it just doesn't occur. It's something that doesn't happen and should have happened because those units had a higher value than their cost. Let me know if you have any questions.